This is a split Windows imaging file. It's one huge file chopped into pieces. You can't open just one piece. You have to merge them back together. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the command. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any SWM file. Let's try the simple solutions first. The core identity of the SWM file is rooted in the disk image file specification. Its metadata is consistently defined by the split Windows imaging file type. The SWM split Windows imaging format. File is a proprietary disk image file created by Microsoft ImageX. It functions as a fragmented, compressed copy of a Windows system volume, used exclusively for operating system deployment and installation. Developed by Microsoft, the format is structural and relies on being read sequentially. The file's purpose is to bypass file system size limitations, e.g. 4 GB, by splitting the image into manageable chunks. It is only accessible using the Microsoft ImageX utility, which is required to reassemble the fragments into a complete image. The SWM file originated with and is formally handled by Microsoft ImageX, developed by Microsoft Corporation. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows provides limited visibility into the virtual disk, so compatible tools must interpret it. To open this specific SWM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Microsoft ImageX is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If you cannot access the SWM file, no problem. This is a truly stubborn SWM file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, recognize the file type. Understand that not SWM files are large Windows image files split into smaller chunks and are not meant to be opened individually. Next, use DISM to apply. Use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM command line tool with the apply image argument to apply the split image to a target drive. Finally, use ImageX to rejoin. Use the deprecated ImageX tool with the ref argument to rejoin the split SWM files into a single contiguous .wim file. When every local option fails, we're skipping extra steps and going straight to the single proven solution. The Universal File Viewer is the right next move to try for your SWM file issue. When the manual methods didn't work on the SWM file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. Grab the FileMagick tool via the description link now. Help me get this solution to more people. Hit share and subscribe to see all my future work.